Following our recent series on the new 2026 UK drone rules, many of you asked the same things. How are UK labels actually going to work? What about changing C labels to UK labels? Well, following a recent meeting, we got the answers straight from the CAA, clear, direct, and avoiding the confusion. Before we get into these answers, and we have included chapters below for anyone who needs to skip the explainer part, here is our 30-second-ish recap on class markings and how 2026 changes everything. So at the moment, we're all flying in one long transitional period while the DFT made decisions about UK drone rules and class markings. So the tiny labels on our drones from the EASA EU region, and usually C0, 1 or 2, actually meant nothing here in the UK. Well, from 2026, you will be able to fly these labeled drones as originally intended. So C1 drones can fly how sub 250 gram drones do at the moment, with zero separation, flying over people in congested areas with just registration requirements. Over the next 2 years, UK labels will come in and replace C labels as new models release or drone makers switch their models over to the new labels. All of this created lots of questions, including what differences would C label drones have to the UK labels? Are manufacturers ready for UK labels, which start for new models from January 1st, 2026? And what about offering retroactive labels for existing models? Well, spoiler alert, the news is basically good all round. The new shiny UK classifications that will eventually replace EU class markings, or C labels as they're known, will at launch be the same as the EU in terms of standards, a total mirror of them, apart from the 100-gram weight limit in terms of registration and remote ID, of course. This news makes things a lot easier for manufacturers bringing new drones to the market or wanting to show their drones comply with UK labelling. The CAA tells Geeksvana any manufacturer that is currently placing C-class marked aircraft on the UK market will be able to self-declare through internal production control for products with a type examination certificate from an EU-approved conformity assessment body. So if they've already got the EU C label approved. From the 1st of January 2028 onwards, manufacturers will be required to obtain a type examination certificate from a UK conformity assessment body for UK 1, 2 and 3 class marked UAS. Internal production control will continue to be possible for the drones marked here, irrespective of whether the product has a type examination certificate from an EU or UK approved conformity assessment body. So quite a lot of flexibility for drone manufacturers for some years to come there. After then, anything not UK class marked would need to add a RID module and operate in the A3 category, RID being remote ID. So this means that UK labels are available to DJI and other manufacturers in a pretty simple way. When we asked the CAA about whether or not they have passed the information to drone makers, and actually so this can happen, they stated manufacturers have been issued with the template for UK class markings and the self-declaration process to ensure that any model placed on the market from the 1st of the 1st 26 can be labelled accordingly. So overall, we should find the benefits we enjoy from the EU C label drones should transition over to UK label drones in an affordable and simple manner. This will not create a high expense for manufacturers and means consumers can buy drones with future confidence in mind. Now, this could make it more than likely that drone manufacturers will offer UK label updates to existing drone users well ahead of the 2028 deadline. One thing to keep in mind here is that if you do update to a UK label, so C1, C2, C3 to UK, you will have to broadcast remote ID. If you want to avoid this for longer, then keep the EU C label as close as you can get to that 2028 deadline. Any questions, let me know in the comments. We will have some more guides and content on all the changes as we approach the new year. So if you're new here, do hit that subscribe button so that you can see when they drop, and could my awesome regulars hit the like button to make me smile. Sean out.